Money trees, trying to feel the wind blow. Air blowing in the wind, cruising in the 64's. Mama taught me how to be a savage, manifest what I imagine. Told me keep it tight like elastic, run shit, make it happen. Gotta keep it moving, yeah, I've been known. Never turn your back on your people. Meditation, keep a mind free flow. Focus be the key, be the cheat code. So I don't need much, no tiaras like diamonds and gold. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Cruising the 6-4, I'm kissing the way that I roll. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I grew up buckets for long in the coconut, feet in the sand. Always stay dreaming of beaches and blue presidents in my head. I grew up buckets for long in the coconut, feet in the sand. Always stay dreaming of beaches and blue presidents in my head. Money trees, trying to feel the wind blow. Air blowing in the wind, cruising in the 6-4. Money trees, house with a little dog. Just a bunch of wannabes. This is what we live for. Diamonds and gold. Air blowing in the wind out the window. Carefree, living clean, yeah, my skin glow. Dipping in for the wind, dividends up. Halo on my head, but I sin though. Got flaws, got stress, but I'm awesome. All hate, self-doubt, go and toss 'em. Light a fire, raise a high, get it started. If you will, there's a way from the bottom. And I grew up buckets for down in the coconut, feet in the sand. Always stay dreaming of beaches and blue presidents in my head. I grew up buckets for long in the coconut, feet in the sand. Always stay dreaming of beaches and blue presidents in my head. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Money trees, trying to feel the wind blow. Air blowing in the wind, cruising in the 6-4. Money trees, house with a little dog. Just a bunch of wannabes. This is what we live for. Diamonds and gold. Mama taught me how to be a savage, manifest what I imagine. Told me keep it tight like elastic, run shit, make it happen. Gotta keep it moving, yeah, I've been known. Never turn your back on your people. Meditation, keep a mind free flow. Focus be the key, be the cheat code. So I don't need much, no tiaras like diamonds and gold. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Cruising the 6-4, I'm kissing the way that I roll. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I grew up buckets for long in the coconut, feet in the sand. Mama taught me how to be a savage, manifest what I imagine. Told me keep it tight like elastic, run shit, make it happen. Gotta keep it moving, yeah, I've been known. Never turn your back on your people. Meditation, keep a mind free flow. Focus be the key, be the cheat code. So I don't need much, no tiaras like diamonds and gold. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Cruising the 6-4, I'm kissing the way that I roll. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I grew up buckets for long in the coconut.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, I just want to leave y'all with this. I thank you guys for your great energy, the great classes, but just make sure you remember, like, all of you guys saved your money. Some of you guys went broke. Some of you guys borrowed money to be here. Some of you guys snuck in. I don't know. But a lot of us made sacrifices to be here just to dance, just to be together to dance, right? And we did that because we love what we do, correct? No one can tell you you're not good enough. No one can tell you that you didn't quite make it, you're not clean, you don't quite have this style. It starts way before that. It starts here. Before anybody else taught you or trained you, when you were a baby and you heard music, you were doing this, right? So someone didn't teach you to do that. Someone didn't teach you how to love dance, how to love music, right? So all we're here to do as teachers is to help you grow. But we have to, with all this critique, with all these styles and these names that we come up with and all these critiques, the bottom line is We are all here for the love of dance, correct? So don't let anybody take that away from you. Don't judge yourself before other people can judge you. You can do anything you want. The first class was Afro. The second class, I don't know what it was. It was something from DC, from my hood. This class, I don't even know where this is. This is from another planet. It's just moving. It's not a style. Yes, I have a base of hip hop, but I just love moving. Some of you guys made contemporary decisions. I still loved it. It doesn't have to be me. I don't want you guys coming here dressing like me, looking like me, everything is talking like me. That's scary to me. I want to meet all 5,000 of you, different individuals. You get what I mean? And whether it's by mouth or talking or whether it's by dance, we can still communicate with each other, but don't forget who you are. Don't forget before this routine, before this stage, before these lights, you love dance anyway. You just get to celebrate it with a whole bunch of people. Yeah? All right. Love yourself. I love you guys. I'll see y'all later.